Hello, we're happy to be participating in the JALT International Conference 2023, and we're particularly passionate about the theme of this year's conference, which is the growth mindset in language education. We're going to be talking about making learning stick with Agile teaching.
We would like to invite you to our interactive online workshop on Friday, 24th November at 5 p.m. Japanese Standard Time and 10 a.m. Central European Standard Time. I am Gabriella Benko, one of the facilitators of the workshop. I have been working as a professional coach and trainer and facilitator to enhance people's communication, learning, and development for over 30 years.
And I'm Daphne Chisholm-Elie. I've been in the field of adult education all my life. I founded a language center in 2003, and now I'm concentrating on sharing my experience and knowledge through professional development programs for teachers. So, Gabriella, what does Agile teaching mean?
Well, this is what we're going to talk about on the 24th of November, but just let's have a quick look at it. We live in a VUCA world, volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. Don't you already feel agile, nimble, and quick as you rush from one class to another, hop between tasks, and get on the next Visio call?
Yeah, sure. And at the same time, the process of learning sometimes feels static and motionless. How many times do we hear people say they feel stuck and helpless when they try to learn a language?
And how many times do we trainers feel the same as we try to help them and nothing seems to work? The Agile teaching framework that we'll speak about helps to bring forward the feeling of motion, the feeling of going to places together and seeing things together. This framework helps make learning visible for both parties. The catalyst is the human relationship and connection. The human magic brings the framework alive.
Yeah, that's right. So, what's in it for you? Why should you come and participate in the interactive workshop we're holding? Well, it's a chance for you to reflect on your impact and to look at teaching from different perspectives. It's also a chance to elevate your teaching experience and enhance the experience for your learners. And it's also a possibility to connect with peers and share insights and thoughts, and to discover a framework which provides structure and at the same time flexibility, and the possibility of discovering a framework which is easy to apply immediately. So we're looking forward to seeing you on Friday the 24th.